इंटीमेसी कोऑर्डिनेटर वो होता है जो जितने भी आपके इंटीमेट सीन्स या किसिंग सीन्स या फिजिकल सीन्स होते हैं कोई भी फिल्म और शो में, वो उन सीन्स को डायरेक्ट करते हैं इन अ वे दैट कंसेंट एंड बाउंड्रीज आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड.
Perfect.
Correct?
Yeah.
Did I miss anything?
Yes.
Okay.
Very small but extremely important point. The idea is to achieve the director's vision. Storytelling को compromise नहीं करना है. ये कई बार हो जाता है कि एक इंटीमेसी कोऑर्डिनेटर के बारे में जब लोग सोचते हैं तो वो इसी पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचते हैं कि ये इंसान आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए, तो ये कंप्लायंस है जो टिक करना है. एक इंटीमेसी कोऑर्डिनेटर को बुला दो, एक्टर्स विल फील सेफ, एंड द प्रोड्यूसर्स थिंक, लॉट ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स, लॉट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, लॉट ऑफ अदर क्रू बिलीव कि उनका काम है एक्टर को कंफर्टेबल फील करवाना, which is not incorrect, but it is also simplistic, because actual job involves a lot of creativity in doing choreography, in trying to make sure we're achieving the story that we're trying to tell.
Yeah.
We're telling it in an authentic manner. We're not telling it in a titillating manner with the wrong kind of gaze. You want to make sure that you're putting out content that you feel proud of. So a director has a very creative collaboration with an intimacy coordinator. An intimacy director is there on set to make sure कि आपको कोई lifetime का trauma नहीं मिल जाए from creating a scene that may be very vulnerable to shoot.
Correct. तो because you are India's first intimacy coordinator, क्या कर रहे थे फिर आपके पहले लोग? कैसे चल रही थी फिल्में? कैसे बन रहे थे?
चला ही रहे थे लोग. चल ही रहा था. In fact, I've been on a film set as an AD before, not one but two, जिनमें बिना चाहे and with because of misunderstanding and miscommunications कुछ lines cross हुई हैं. And as an AD, I have experienced it firsthand, seeing it happen in front of me. Because लोगों को बहुत difficult होता था, और अभी भी है बहुत लोगों के लिए difficult to communicate about sex. हम यही conversation से शुरू कर रहे थे, right? कि लोग बात ही नहीं करते हैं. It's such a taboo topic. To clarify that, to remove that smoke of like miscommunication, there is a vocabulary that is in place which is work appropriate. Right. And that is the crux of what was not available earlier. And then there is also the other bit के पहले ना, अभी भी होता है यार, पावर डायनामिक तो है ही सेट पे. कोई ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, कोई कम इम्पोर्टेंट है, कोई ज्यादा फेमस है, कोई कम फेमस है, कोई ज्यादा. Gender also, right? It doesn't matter. More I'm doing work in this space, the more I'm realizing के patriarchy might benefit men more, but it is debilitating all genders.
Yeah,
equally.
Absolutely.
अरे अगर लड़की मान गई तो तुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
अच्छा, ऐसे बोलते हैं?
You can ask many. I've heard feedback from a lot of male actors who've come up to me and said हमारे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है पहले. क्या हमें पूछता ही नहीं कोई, हमारी कंसेंट की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. We've heard many a times the Sharon Stone story. We've heard so many times the Dimple Kapadia story in India. We've heard so many times. We've heard Radhika Apte talking about her experience. We've heard so many very established names in the business have come out and spoken about their experiences of being on sets where there wasn't someone there to kind of support them.
I was speaking to an actress last year. हाँ, एक साल हो गए उस बात को. We were talking about consent on set, and we were talking about, like intimate scenes. And that is when she told me that एक बार उनके साथ ऐसा set पर हुआ था when it was a kissing scene and the director said cut. उसके बाद भी the male actor did not stop. And then she said that, that is why I feel that intimacy coordinators कितने important होते हैं.
This is a very good example of miscommunication. Also, कि हो सकता है उस एक्टर को कट सुनाई नहीं दिया हो.
Okay.
क्योंकि डायरेक्टर ने एंड कट बोला है, but he was in character and there was nobody there to tell him and cut, okay, separate.
अच्छा.
Immediately. I'm not saying that there are people that don't have bad intentions. There are people that will think कि अरे यार इसमें क्या है, you know, कर तो लिया, like. But you can't operate from the perspective के that would have been the case if there wasn't an intimacy coordinator, because there could have been that possibility that this other person didn't hear the cut.
Okay.
That might also be their excuse.
I remember, reading about this. एक फिल्म आई थी दयावान, जिसमें माधुरी दीक्षित और विनोद खन्ना का एक बहुत ही गंदा, like horrible kissing scene था. Like it will make you want to puke. And then I think he bit her lip, and then it became a whole thing, right? From there to now, where we have people like you to set and establish boundaries, to say separate.
Yeah.
Correct.
बस हो गया.
बस
बोल दिया.
But yeah. At this point, let's do something fun, which is called red flag, green flag, intimacy edition. Oh God. ठीक है? So I'm going to give you situations and you tell me कि वो red flag है या green flag है.
Okay, done.
First one. They make jokes about the intimate scene to lighten the mood. Like before shooting.
Oh, red flag.
Really?
Yeah.
What should they do instead?
Take it on like any other scene. The fact that you would specifically try to be like, अरे अब हम करने वाले हैं scene, like that is a bit weird. Like, I'm sorry. Because the thing is that it can land in a way that it's very light, or it can land in a way that can make someone uncomfortable.
Yes, correct.
So if there is a beach ka flag, I would give a beach ka flag. But the reason that there is the potential of it becoming a red flag, it will become a red flag.
Yes, yes. Your partner shares intimate details of your sex life with a close friend as a joke.
As a joke.
Yeah, like मजाक में अरे वो नहीं हुआ था क्या कॉफी विद कर पे मैं तो करके आया.
Red flag.
Yeah, but you don't you think like girls do it all the time? Like girls share
as a
stuff
joke is why I asked you that question. Sometimes girls do it all the time. Yes, I agree with you.
But we do it because we want to know कि यार कुछ problem तो नहीं है ना? Like,
yeah,
am I okay?
And also,
is this okay?
Yeah, and also because a lot of times it is such that you don't have any other space to have that conversation.
True, that's true.
So that's when I would say कि it's a green flag. If you have a person with whom you feel safe enough to discuss something about your intimate life, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But if you're joking about your partner,
red flag.
I think you're pushing it. Huh?
Yes. Okay. A filmmaker or a director says that you're comfortable with kissing scenes, right? Because आपने तो पहले भी किया है. So
red flag.
Yeah, because they're assuming.
Yeah, consent cannot be assumed and consent has to be specific. Consent cannot be के अरे आपने पहले किया तो यहाँ क्या दिक्कत है? Like backless पहले पहना है तो यहाँ पे क्या problem है? Like नहीं पहनना वापस, नहीं करना वापस, इसके साथ नहीं करना है, ये फिल्म के लिए नहीं करना है, आपके सामने नहीं करना. What? I can have 50,000 reasons why I say no.
Yeah.
And there's absolutely no counter argument to somebody saying no.
Yeah, as they say, no is a full sentence.
Yeah. So,
correct. If somebody asks, how was it after they've made out? How was it? Green flag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good to ask for feedback.
Okay. They say just relax when you seem tense. कि relax यार.
Mostly I'd say red flag.
Yeah.
बोलने से थोड़ा ना कोई relax हो जाएगा.
Exactly. हाँ. Exactly. आप I think पूछना चाहिए ना कि आप what happened? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Why are
what
you
can
tensed?
I do for you?
Yes.
Is the question. Yeah. How can I help? What can I do?
Yeah. Nobody relaxes after you say just relax.
Calm down.
Okay, you owe this to the film. This is what you're getting paid for.
Red flag.
Do they still say this? Like, this is what you're getting paid for? आपको तो पैसे मिल रहे हैं ये करने के लिए.
हाँ.
हाँ?
I'm sure बोलते होंगे.
If they say you're lucky to be chosen for such a bold scene. It's a bold scene. Like intimacy has always been portrayed
Steamy
as something
scene.
so dirty. Yes, steamy scene, bold
Adult
scene,
scene.
hot scene. And last one, they dismiss your discomfort by saying कि you're being too sensitive, यार.
You've asked me all red flag
मैं वही
questions.
बोलने वाली थी कि सारे red flag
सारे
questions
red
हैं.
flag questions
यार मुझे
हैं.
बताओ फिर green flags क्या होते हैं? Like what are few green flags in intimacy or in being intimate with a partner?
Okay, so at work, it's a big green flag if somebody says that we have a scene of intimacy. This is what is going to be required. Do you want to audition for the role? From the get-go, आपने decision लिया हुआ है ना कि आप करोगे scene. Yeah, you know it's coming in your direction and it's not been thrown at you after you've been signed and all of that, and then you're being told requirement है, पैसे मिल रहे हैं,
हाँ.
that kind of stuff. Big green flag.
Let's say in like personal life, between two people in a relationship, dating.
Yeah, I think of course a big green flag is being asked after you've maybe made out for the first time or kissed somebody for the first time, whether they were okay with that, whether they liked it. Confirm consent, which is के आपने हाँ तो कर दी थी, but was the experience okay? Or like, would you like to do it again? Yeah. Or did you not enjoy it and you would not like to do it again? So that is like, it's I think anything where you get cradled in love a little bit and cradled with care a little bit, I think it's always a green.
Yes.
And I think it goes for any gender.
True.
A couple that can very freely talk to each other about intimacy, what they would like to try, what they would like to explore, what they enjoy and what they don't enjoy. And the fact that they're able to have that conversation, if you are able to do it with your partner, that partner is a green flag.
Yes.
If you feel like
I
cannot communicate with this person and they're not going to take it well,
yeah,
then there's a problem.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.